In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Hootsuite Content Calendar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, go ahead and log in to your Hootsuite account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hootsuite dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now over on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Here, you want to click on the option that says Planner. This is where you can manage all your content across various social media platforms. Once you click on the planner, you'll be taken to a new screen that features your content calendar. You can view this calendar in different formats, monthly, weekly, or daily. Depending on your preference and your scheduling style, you might find one view more convenient than the others. If you're looking at a monthly view, you can easily get a sense of your content at a glance, while the weekly view offers a bit more detail for those busy weeks ahead. Now, let's say you want to customize this calendar to better suit your planning needs. Hootsuite gives you the flexibility to do that. If you want to set a specific calendar for your content, you simply click on the options available. You can even adjust the views to show only certain types of posts or campaigns, which can be a huge time saver, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Next, let's talk about how you can actually start using this calendar for scheduling your posts. Once you've made your way to the calendar, you can easily create a new post. Just click on any date where you'd like to schedule something. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to compose your message, add links, upload images, and even tag people if necessary. Hootsuite's editor is pretty intuitive, so you should find it straightforward to get your content crafted just the way you want it. Another fantastic feature of the Hootsuite Content Calendar is the ability to see posts that are already scheduled. This means you can easily check what you have lined up, make edits if needed, and get a complete view of your social media strategy, all in one place. You can simply click on any post within the calendar to see its details, allowing you to tweak the timing or content on the fly. Don't forget to use the repost option if you have content that performed well in the past. You can easily duplicate a successful post and adjust it for a new audience or time frame, which is a huge advantage for maximizing your content's reach. As you continue to use the content calendar, you might want to explore other features Hootsuite offers, like the analytics tools that allow you to track the performance of your posts. Understanding what types of posts drive engagement is paramount, and the analytics section can help you refine your strategy moving forward. Lastly, remember that the Hootsuite Content Calendar is a living document. Your content strategy may change, you may have new campaigns, or there could be unexpected events that require real-time adjustments. Check in regularly and keep your content calendar updated to reflect these changes. Consistency is key to maintaining your online presence, and that calendar is your best friend in staying organized. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of how to use the Hootsuite Content Calendar. Remember, the goal is to simplify your content planning process so you can focus on creating great content while still keeping your social media strategy on point. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy planning!